Musical composition. We'll be learning about musical composition today. That is, what does it mean to compose a music? What are the things that are needed when you are composing a music? So I'll start by defining what musical composition is. Musical composition is the process of creating a new song or piece of music. That is a song that has not been in existence before now, or a piece of music. A piece of music in the sense that a musical composition can be in form of vocal, that is your voice. Now, if you have heard songs where there's no instrument, just voice singing, and that is a vocal song. It can also be in form of instrumental, where all you hear is just the instrument and there's no voice with it, or both. Both of them can be both instruments and vocal. Alright, so it can be in form of vocal or instrumental or both. Remember, it's the act of creating new song or a piece of music. Now, the person that composes a song is called a composer. The person that creates a new piece of music is called a composer. So we are going to look at the video very quickly to see. So I'm going to show you a video now, and I want you to tell me the instrument you can hear. You tell me the mood of the song, if it's happy or sad. Then you tell me the lyrics. The lyrics is the words of the music. So listen to this music and tell me the elements in it. So think about this song that I just heard. From the beginning, you could hear some instruments accompanying it, and then at a point you could hear the lyrics. The lyrics are the words of the music. Then you could hear the mood. You can figure out the mood. The mood as in, is it a happy song or a sad song? So think about that and you understand what composition is all about. So I'm going to take you through the elements of musical composition. What are the elements of musical composition? When you are composing you are creating a new song, what are the things that you look out for? The first is instruments, your instruments of choice. Do you want to accompany it with a guitar, a piano, a saxophone, a trumpet, like the one we just heard? You could list some instruments that were mentioned that were used in that music. Another thing you look out for is your lyrics, the lyrics of the song, like it's good to be me, it's good to be me. That is the lyrics, it's part of the lyrics. It's good to know you, it's part of the lyrics of the song you just listened to. So lyrics is just the words of the music, the words of a song. Then another component is the melody. The melody is the line of music, that is how the notes are arranged, like la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Each song have different melody, although there are some songs that have the same melody but different lyrics. For instance, if you listen to la 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 la, you can sing it as A B C D E F G H I J K. Then you can also sing it as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now both of them have the same melody, la 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 la, but different lyrics. So the lyrics is the word, while melody is a line of music. It is how the notes are being arranged. The next one is tempo. Tempo is how fast or how slow a song is. It's possible you make it very fast, like when we sing on the march past, or when they sing or march it very fast, or when you are singing a very slow song. So a tempo is how fast or how slow. The mood, is it a happy song? You can't imagine someone composing a song for maybe the person just lost his or her cat, for instance. that song will be so emotional, to be so sad. So mood, is it a happy song? Is it a joyful song? Is it a song that will make one want to cry? Those are the things that you consider. These are the elements. Then we also have the harmony. Harmony is when there are two different parts of the music being sung together. Like for instance, maybe the alto is singing a particular part and the soprano is singing a part, and you combine both of them and they sing at the same time. That is harmony. It brings out a kind of combination that is very pleasant to the ear. So that is harmony. Then another you look at is the rhythm. The rhythm is just the sequence of beats, how the notes are being arranged, how long they are, how short they are. They form the rhythm. That's the pattern of the music. And then don't forget that a person that composes a new song, a person that writes a new song is called a composer. A person that creates a new song, writes a new song, or perform a new song is called a composer. So this is your assignment for today. You are going to compose your own song, you record it, you write out the lyrics, then you send it to the class WhatsApp group. So I want your assignment to be written, the lyrics written, your songs recorded, and then uploaded on the WhatsApp. So a musical composition is just creating new music. So I want to see that. I want to see that creativity in you. Remember, no music is bad. No music is good. It is all about the lyrics, the melody, the rhythm, the instruments, the tempo, everything that is the ingredient of the music itself that makes it good. So compose your own today. Thank you.